How to change app icon size on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change the size of app icons on your Android device. Let's get started. First, press and hold an empty spot on your home screen. Tap Home Settings or Settings, depending on your launcher. Look for an option called Icon Size or Icon Layout. Select it. Then adjust the slider to change the icon size to your preference. Once you're happy with the size, just exit the settings. Your icons will now be updated. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.